Hey friends, welcome back to the channel. Did you know that most modern toilets have two flush modes? And it doesn't say anything about that, but check it out. If you only need a little bit of water, push down once. Let go. Pretty good flush, but you see there's a lot of water still left in here. And if you need a stronger flush, all you're gonna do is hold the handle down. When you hold the handle down, it releases some extra water down there. Kind of gives you a turbo flush. Probably about twice as much water when you hold that handle down. Here's another look at that stronger flush, keeping the handle pushed down. You can see how much more water is going down into the bowl. Now you know, my friends. Now be careful. Make sure that the water doesn't overspill if you got it plugged up. If you do have it plugged up, check this out. I'm about to put up a video right now on how to unplug your toilet using a plunger. Have a good day, my friends.